welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening the very first BoxyCharm Premium of 2022. And yeah, and hi, hello, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer and this is my husband Aaron. And on my channel I do unboxings, I do general makeup material, and as per my channel name, I am agoraphobic, so I do talk about agoraphobia and mental health issues. And if you're interested in any of that stuff, or perchance you're interested in all of that, then I highly recommend, okay, there we go. I highly recommend you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing what is in my BoxyCharm Premium for January 2022, then hang tight
because we are getting right to it.
Okay, so the premium box has gone up to, what is it, $39.99?
$49.99?
Let's face it.
$99.99, if you can believe that.
Everything has gone up in price. I mean, groceries, gas, everything. But it's our choice whether to keep it or not, and I am going to keep my box going for now. So in this box you get 6 full-size items.
6?
Yeah, 6.
Wow, 6.
And I will leave the link to BoxyCharm down below in the description box. And if you're interested. Okay, the theme for this month is Better Beauty. And look, they have information inside.
And how is the Better Beauty better?
It says, refresh your routine. Get a fresh start this new year.
With freshness.
Love how you look and feel with these good-for-you products that don't stop short on glam. Check out how some of these key ingredients add benefit on top of beauty. Shea butter, grapeseed extract, kaolin clay, jojoba seed, and bamboo charcoal. It just says how it is good for you.
So it's just a big box of raw ingredients this time?
I guess so. Okay, so I'm handing this over to Aaron. And
which thing are we looking at first here?
Let's see. So we got something from Juice Beauty.
Juice Beauty.
It is, they say they are the organic solution.
Oh.
It is their bamboo pore refining mask. So
with this, you can clear and hydrate your skin at the same time. With this pore refining mask, help protect against maskne with bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay to help detox, aspen bark to help smooth and hydrate, and exfoliating polyhydroxy acids for a softer, smoother complexion. MSRP $36.
okay, it looks like a clay mask.
It does.
To me.
See, maskne is acne that you get from wearing a mask.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm guessing anyway. I've never heard anybody use
Let
the
me
term
know
before.
below if y'all have a problem with masks. Oh, okay. From wearing your mask.
Not mask, not face mask. The other mask.
Okay. I thought it was from wearing not this kind of mask. It's from wearing your masks. Okay. Alright, and here was one of my choices. One of the choices I made. It is from Huda Beauty's
Wishful.
sister brand, Wishful. It is the Clean Genie Cleansing Butter.
So Genie comes out and cleans everything for you?
So it is like a cleansing balm.
That's not as exciting. But we go for it anyway. A cleansing butter infused with green tea and cherry blossom extract to melt away makeup and impurities while keeping the skin feeling soft and supple instead of greasy and dry. It's
Smells good.
$35.
How much?
$35.
Oh, okay. Get in there.
What is the cherry blossom extract is supposed to do anyway? Sounds good.
I don't know. Okay, next we have something from LYS Beauty. Oh, what variation do we have?
I don't know.
$230.
Okay.
Okay, this is LYS Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer.
This sounds kind of frightening. Grips you.
I'm not going to open this up because I
Pulls your
think,
skin right off your face.
but here's what it looks like.
This daily serum primer. So you're supposed to prime before your serum with this? Or it is a serum that primes you? Okay. It helps balance and brighten the skin while controlling the appearance of excess shine throughout the day for a seamless complexion with or without makeup. It's packed with skincare ingredients for guilt-free beauty that feels as good as it looks.
Okay.
$20. I mean, is it packed with ingredients?
It just says key ingredients.
There's some other ones down there.
Okay, I'm going to put that in a giveaway.
Not it's packed. I mean, if your word doesn't, it's supposed to be packed.
Okay, and then I've got this Persona lip liner.
Line, define, and shape your lips with this creamy and blendable lip liner formulated with jojoba oil
I guess I'll go ahead and open
and
it.
hydrogenated cottonseed oil for an effortless glide on application to help create the perfect canvas for long-lasting lip color. Cruelty-free,
Oh,
paraben-free,
I broke it
and
again.
vegan. And it's broken. Yeah!
I always break lip liners.
You're being cruel to it. You're supposed to be cruelty-free to it. You're treating it too roughly. It's for gentle people.
Well, it's kind of a nudie rose color.
It's so creamy and blendable, it just falls right off. Tip just falls right off.
Okay. What is this? I don't see my other choice item in here. Let me see this. I didn't choose that. Maybe I did. Okay, next I have the Aether Beauty Desert Sunset Palette.
Ooh.
That's what the outer box looks like. Comes with a little card.
Fancy.
That's what the box looks like.
Oh, wow.
And this is the color story.
In collaboration with Cosmic Collage. Tenacious is the lioness in the face of oppression, unfaltering in conviction and clout.
Whatever.
And there's the lioness and the thing. Sounds like it has a deep plot here. So this font here with the little triangles for the A's, it looks like something that would be like some sort of futuristic, post-apocalyptic movie font for the title.
Okay.
Aether. Does it say about? Yes, it does.
That's a nice neutral story with a little pop of color right there.
Yeah, see, even that looks futuristic. Be like some little control panel. And then the spaceship comes out.
You know, that'd be cute for all y'all get ready with me.
10 shades. Count them. 10. Ultra matte, shimmer, duochrome, triple chrome, quad chrome. Oh, no, sorry. And metallic finishes to create gorgeously glowing looks.
Does the say chrome?
Duochrome, just duo. The rest is just, me. Crystal charged pigment. It's crystal charged. They took crystals and they charged it with the power of crystals. Don't you laugh at the power of crystals. Power. Crystal charged pigment infused with amber powder helps to improve your glow by illuminating the skin with its light reflective properties. Formulated with organic coconut oil, shea butter, prickly pear seed oil. That's one you don't hear all the time. And moringa seed oil. You know what moringa is?
No.
But this seed oil is really good.
Okay.
Here. Yeah. That's it. $48. New launch, it says.
Okay.
Oh, and that looks fancy on the top there. Look at that.
Yeah. Makes it look 3D, but it's not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Snazzy.
And then we have this big thing in here.
That's a big pouch of something. Or nothing. Like a book cover. There's no way to open it.
Okay, here's the zipper.
It's a puzzle. They hid the zipper under there.
Okay. Okay, here's the product. It looks like some kind of brush carrier.
That's what they packed it in.
It's called
Send Me Back to Save the World. Wow. Wow, that's all you have to do.
Zero Waste Reusable Shipper.
We can save the world if we send that back.
Okay, I guess
That's
this.
amazing.
I guess this is
The Izzy Zero Waste Beauty Zero Waste Mascara Black Zero Waste. Zero. It's a clean, cruelty-free, vegan, and zero
I'm
waste
not gonna open
refillable
it.
mascara. All charmers. Are you a charmer?
yeah.
Yeah. All charmers will be given a 20% discount on their first refill. For shipping and refill instructions, please see the insert inside the Zero Waste Reusable Shipper your mascara comes in.
I've got too many open mascaras, so but I'm gonna keep it. And
You can't just throw this away. That'll make them cry. You have 3 months to fall in love with it, it says. And then you send it back and they refill it for you.
I'm really not sure what this is. It's not very.
It's a mailer.
A
The
mailer.
whole thing is just to ship that.
I don't get it.
But you can save the world with it.
Okay.
The entire world.
I'm gonna set that aside and think about it. So we got that. We got this zero waste mascara, which in a way I can appreciate that. We got this Persona lip liner, which is very beautiful. I will have to resharpen it. And I'm rough on little things like that. We got the Aether Beauty Desert Sunset palette.
Palette of tomorrow.
Can you get out? You have your phone with you?
Yes,
Can you add all this up?
I guess.
We got the Wishful Clean Genie Cleansing Balm. We got the LYS Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. And we got the Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask.
$192.
Okay, so I think they guarantee that you get $175 worth of product in your BoxyCharm. Let me know if you got your premium BoxyCharm and if you got any of these products. I don't remember picking that zero waste mascara. I thought I picked the Bare Minerals stuff. Oh well.
They knew that you needed it to help balance out your karma and whatnot.
Okay, whatever.
Chance to do some good.
Anyway, tell me what you got, and if we got the same stuff, anything, or what you thought of my box. Do you think the boxes are worth $40 now? Let me know. Leave me a comment. Give this a big thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, it really only takes a second and it really helps my channel out. I've got my base box waiting for me to unbox it, and that will come out next week. So yeah. Okay, thank you for clicking on this and spending some time with us today, and I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day today, and if not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful rest of your weekend or beginning of your week or whenever you are watching this. And if you are having an especially hard time, know that we're thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And, okay, just remember to stay healthy and stay strong and stay safe out there. And, okay, I will see you in my next video.
So when they say spark their day, you mean like spark joy, you know, not like set their day on fire, right?
Yes.
Okay, I just wanted to clarify.
Okay, stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.